I want to use this example to demonstrate how to draw a histogram for a continuous variable. Let's use exam 1 as an example. If you check the values for exam 1, you can see so the minimum is 65 and the maximum is 95. So first we need to decide the cut point for bins. I select to use 60, 70, 80, 90 as cut point. Right, so I type 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 here. Okay. Now click data. Click data analysis. In the list, locate histogram. Click OK. In the data range, in the data input range, select the range of your data. Make sure not select the name of the variable. In the bin range, you just select from 70 to 90. So there is no need to select 60 and 100. In the output option, so I choose new worksheet and make sure to check chart output. Click OK. Now you can see the histogram is here. You can edit the name of the bin. So this should be, in fact, from 60 goes to 70. So this is 70 goes to 80. So this is 80 goes to 90. And so this should be 90 to 100. Okay. You can double click here to change the name. So it should be exam 1. Scores of exam 1. There are many different ways to try to edit this histogram to make it look better. For example, so if you double click any of the bar, the gap width, you can make it a little bit smaller and to make it look nice. Yeah, so basically you can try to click around and to see so how to make the histogram looks better. Okay.